Hello, good evening mga kalaag. Ito, mag-awitan naman tayo. Sana suportahan nyo guys na escape at tapusin sana ninyo ang panonood nito. Suportahan lang tayo guys. Okay. Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Sana guys magugustuhan nyo ang awit na ito. Tagal-tagal guys. Okay lang. The old hometown looked the same. I stepped down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and my papa. Down the road I look, and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's an old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Then I wake and look around me for a tall green walls that surround me. And I realize, yes, I was only dreaming. For there's a guard and there's a sad old padre. On and on, we'll walk at daybreak. Again, I'll touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree as they lay me in the green, green grass of home. Maraming salamat guys sa inyong lahat. Magandang araw, magandang gabi para sa ating lahat.